My people no be small thing o. They say if you see Nigerian Air Force wey dey pass, omo make you run for your dear life o. Because as e stand right now, they say their target in fact their target no dey see Boko Haram or bandits, na only civilians or security na their target dey always see o. Since last year to this year, not how many times wey they don mistake go kpai a lot of people, e don red. I go play this video make you hear as this our brother tell dey explain am how the thing take happen. Abeg watch before we jump to another ogbonge news.
Nigerians, if you see Nigerian Air Force coming, run for your life. If you see Nigerian Air Force coming, don't stay there and think that these people are coming to save you. Run for your life. They are coming to take your life. Nigerians. So, the Nigerian Air Force is gradually becoming an air component of bandits and terror boys. The Nigerian Air Force, NAF, is gradually, if not a component already, they are gradually becoming a component of bandits and terror boys. I'm telling you, because this will not be a mistake anymore. You cannot tell me that it's a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 can never be a mistake. It is now a deliberate act. Our Air Force don't turn against us. No be mistake anymore. And the funniest part is that, bro, we always take shit from these people. You cannot tell me that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na mistake. No, na deliberate act. These people are now against Nigerians. Now, today, early this morning, today being the 2nd of June 2025, Nigerian Air Force strike this morning. He strike this morning for Mani community. This community na community where they inside Manu local government. The Air Force strike this morning. No be bandit target o. You know nothing concern. He strike this morning, and guess what? 20 innocent farmers lost their life. 20 innocent farmers lost their life, and they will call it mistake again, and we will just share it, and it will continue happening. No be the first time it dey happen o. No be second time o. No be third time o. No be fourth time o. This one is going to more than 10 times continuously, and it's because we are keeping quiet. This thing continue to happen. It is because we are keeping quiet that this thing. No, we need to like hold them accountable now. Man, these people are people's na family, na life that they waste like this. You can't continue wasting innocent Nigerians. Calling to the mistake. How many times? One in Zamfara, one in Sokoto. Every time. So the NAF need to we need to start asking questions. Who actually they control those things? Na bandits. I've been Nigerians. We don't really understand who they control those things. Because it seems that all the fighter jets, Super Tucano will get. So they fight bandits again. Now us they fight. The whole world need to hear it that Nigerian Air Force, the Air Force is deliberately taking the lives of Nigeria. It is no longer a mistake. It is a deliberate act. Post this thing everywhere. You can post it. The Air Force is deliberately taking the lives of Nigerians. Just today, 20 lives of innocent farmers gone in the name of mistake. All in the name of mistake. This is not the first time, or second or the third. No. It is not even the fourth or fifth. It is more than 10 times that these people continue doing this thing. And Nigerians will be like this. We don't hold them accountable. And they keep going. They keep doing it. So how will this country change if we don't hold these people accountable? Enough is enough. I said enough is enough. The NAF need to come out and tell us what is going on. Every time you want to strike, it is Nigerians you are striking. No bandit. You are not even. No, 20 innocent farmers lost their life today in Mani, in Zamfara State. In Zamfara State. 20 innocent farmers. And it's not the first time. What is going on? Nigerians, if you see Nigerian Air Force coming, run for your life. If you see Nigerian Air Force coming, don't stay there and think that these people are coming to save you. Run for your life. They are coming to take your life. Run. Run. Hide. Hide. They are bandits. Nigerian Air Force are bandits. They are terror boys. They are not coming to save you. Run. Hide. Hide. Oh, hide. I don't tell you, hide. 20 farmers gone today. Innocent farmers. Same mistake all the time. Forsake. Air Force forsake.
Now so it be, and I will say Mukari and come give you that. They say they don't buy almost 20 something or 30 securities for inside the northern part of the country. Every time they are making mistake, but they know they make mistake go by the terrorists where they terrorize the land. My people, let us also bring you video of waiting they happen for Ukraine. They say in fact this world we will know if you go change anytime, because as it stand right now, they say that Ukraine don't go carry their enter for inside Russia or go bring them more than 40 something bomb capability carriers so we belong to Russia, so they feel use even operate and fire their nucleus. They say they don't carry them down and put on fire everywhere now. Con the burn yata now the world con the shake or say waiting go be Russia respond. The day they contemplate on how Ukraine go carry another bridge where Russia they carry their logistics, they give their people where they from front line for Ukraine. They don't carry the bridge go down. This one happened yesterday. Why the other one happened day before yesterday? My people, now let me bring you the video. May this our brothers explain and more better as it didn't take happen for inside the matter. Stay tuned and share this video.
While the world at large is currently waiting for what happens next, or possibly waiting for the worst, after Ukraine had launched a 117 drone attack into the land of Russia at 4 different strategic locations, targeting Russian airfield at the eastern Siberian city of Belaya, Olenya, at the Arctic near Finland. And according to the information that has been made available by the Ukrainian president, Mr. Zelensky, Ukrainian defense chief, as well as from Russia, it is estimated that the damages which was caused by the Ukrainian drone attack in the Russian airfield is estimated to cost Russia a whopping sum of $7 billion. This is as a result of the fact that 34% of Russian strategic cruise missile carriers were hit during this operation. A total of 41 Russian strategic bombers were originally part of the target by Ukraine, and according to the information that is readily available on the internet space, Ukraine defense minister claimed that 40 of these strategic bombers were hit so hard in the land of Russia and were heavily damaged. Russian government has equally released video footage of warplanes that were caught fire. Zelensky, the president of Ukraine, went further to commend his team for a brilliant and successful operation, which he tagged Operation Spiderweb. He claimed that this very attack on the land of Russia was authorized by himself 18 months ago, that it was a very successful, intelligence planning, of which, according to the information that he made available on the internet space, that Ukraine was able to smuggle 117 short quadcopter drones into the Russian airfield, and loading them and installing them at strategic position in readiness for this very attack. They also made available some pictures containing sheds and wooden structures where some of these drones were hidden in readiness for this attack, which according to him was authorized 18 months ago. And immediately the Operation Spiderweb was successful. The team responsible for the launching of these 118 drones on Russian airfield were immediately withdrawn back in order to keep them safe from being picked up by the Russian military force. But here are the scary things that is very troubling. The president of Russia, Mr. Putin, has summoned an emergency Security Council meeting in Russia. The strategic bombers that were destroyed by the Ukrainian forces in an operation called the Spiderweb are part of the Russian, nuclear triad. This nuclear triad is just a military strategy which involves 3 defined or 3 unique operations, of which one of them is land intercontinental ballistic missile, submarine launched ballistic missile, and strategic bombers, which has nuclear war capabilities. What does that mean? By Ukraine targeting the strategic bombers and destroying 40 of them, they have left Russia incapacitated in launching many of their nuclear warheads, because originally these strategic bombers are designed to launch nuclear bombs. But at the moment, they are also being used in launching, cruise missiles. And a typical example of such a strategic bomber that is designed to launch nuclear bombs and at the same time also being used in launching cruise missile is Tu-95. This very strategic bomber was destroyed in that attack, and many other strategic bombers like Tu-22 were all, targeted and destroyed by Ukrainian short, quadcopter drones. But news equally has it that Russia has 120 of these strategic bombers, and the Ukraine has destroyed 40 out of the 120, of which the president of Ukraine commended his team that it's strategic and is something to be proud of. The bigger question now remains, is Russia going to be pushed or compelled to launch a nuclear attack on the soil of Ukraine using the remaining 80 strategic bombers that is left for them in their airfield? That is something that is actually very troubling, because the damages that this very attack from Ukraine is causing already in the land of Russia is enormous. It's estimated to cost them about $7 billion to replace some of these bombers. It is quite unfortunate that we have gotten to this level where we do not know what is to come next, in the world at large, because Ukrainian president, Mr. Zelensky has warned Ukraine, telling them to pay attention to the, alert siren, saying that there may be surprises, that something big or something strange is likely to happen from Russia. They also revealed from their intelligence reporting that Russia was planning an attack, long cruise missile attack in the land of Ukraine earlier, before Ukraine, launched this very drone attack on their airfield. So as it is now, it remains a mystery what is to come or what happens next. Whether Putin is going to be very brutal in retaliating this very attack. Already, Russia is beginning to send, rockets into the land of Ukraine, as a way of warning. But there are speculations that something big is about to take place. But all fingers crossed. Let's see what is going to happen next. And at this point, I will leave you with the next big questions. What will be the reaction of the President of the United States of America on this very escalation, Donald J. Trump? And what will be the reaction of the President of Russia, Mr. Putin? And if Putin reacts, what next? What will be the reaction of the President of Ukraine? Because I do know that actions and reactions are always equal but opposite. At this point, I'll allow you to be the judge. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comment section and share this video. Man, another person see am. God bless you.
My wonderful people, now so it take happen. Now I will say me cool bring and come show one. Mona know as it dey go. But may try to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. You don't read.